OpenAI confirms it's looking into text watermarking for ChatGPT that could expose cheating students. More on that coming up. But first, payments relating to a class action lawsuit filed in 2018 over Apple's Butterfly MacBook keyboards have reportedly begun to arrive. The settlement website now states that payments for approved claims will go out in August. And sure enough, 9to5Mac's Michael Burkhardt reports that he received 2 settlement checks in the mail on Saturday. Just how much eligible MacBook owners will get varies depending on the extent of the repairs their devices needed. But for some, it could mean a check or multiple of up to $395. After Apple introduced the Butterfly keyboard in 2015, complaints arose over sticky and unresponsive keys, susceptibility to debris, and other major issues. The company ultimately started phasing out the design in 2019. The lawsuit filed in 2018 accused Apple of knowing that its keyboards had problems and concealing this from consumers. While Apple denied the lawsuit's allegations of defective keyboards and did not admit to any wrongdoing, it agreed to pay $50 million as part of a settlement. Following a report from the Wall Street Journal that claims OpenAI has been sitting on a tool that can spot essays written by ChatGPT with a high degree of accuracy, the company has shared a bit of information about its research into text watermarking and why it hasn't released its detection method. According to the Wall Street Journal's report, debate over whether the tool should be released has kept it from seeing the light of day, despite it being ready. In an update published on Sunday to a May blog post spotted by TechCrunch, OpenAI said, "Our teams have developed a text watermarking method that we continue to consider as we research alternatives." The company said watermarking is one of multiple solutions, including classifiers and metadata that it has looked into as part of extensive research on the area of text provenance. According to OpenAI, it has been highly accurate in some situations, but doesn't perform as well when faced with certain forms of tampering, like using translation systems, rewording with another generative model, or asking the model to insert a special character in between every word and then deleting that character. And text watermarking could disproportionately impact some groups, OpenAI wrote. For example, it could stigmatize use of AI as a useful writing tool for non-native English speakers. Per the blog post, OpenAI has been weighing these risks. The company also wrote that it has prioritized the release of authentication tools for audio-visual content. In a statement to TechCrunch, an OpenAI spokesperson said the company is taking a deliberate approach to text provenance because of the complexities involved and its likely impact on the broader ecosystem beyond OpenAI. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Gadget contributor Cheyenne McDonald and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.